자, in this video, we are going to review Korean question words. You may already know most of them, but let's check them again to clarify the differences today. 자, 그러면 the first word is 무엇, 그렇죠? 무엇 is the shortened form of 무엇, 그래요. 무엇. 무엇 and 무엇, they are the same words. 무슨, 그러면 what kind of, 그렇죠? What kind of. 어느, 그러면 which one of them. So you have several candidates in your mind and which one of them 이런 거예요. 그 다음에 얼마나, 그럼 for how much, for how long 이런 거예요. 그 다음에 얼마 그러면은 similarly how much, how long 그 다음에 어디 그러면은 where, what place. 언제 그러면 when, what time. where 그러면 why. 어떻게 그러면 how. 누구 그러면 who. When 누구 is placed in the subject of like position in a sentence 그러면 it should be 누가 그렇죠? 누가 or 누구. And 몇 그러면 what number 그렇죠? So 뭐 is just what and 몇 is what number 그래요. 그래서 이제 자 take a look at the questions here. Number one, 한국어 수업이 끝났어요. So Korean class was over 그렇죠? 30분 전 그러면 30 minutes ago에 끝났어요. So it was over 30 minutes ago. 그러면 when was the Korean class over? 언제 한국어 수업이 끝났어요? 그렇죠. 그다음에 2번 오늘이 blank 요일이에요. 요일 그러면 day of a week 그렇잖아. 월요일, 화요일, 수요일, 목요일, 금요일, 토요일, 일요일 그렇죠. 오늘은 수요일이에요. Today is Wednesday. 그러면은 무슨 요일이에요? Just memorize this like this. 오늘이 무슨 요일이에요? So what kind of day is it today? So Korean people think that there are 7 kinds of days. 그다음에 and they are asking what kind of day is it today? 무슨 요일이에요? 그동안 어떻게 지냈어요? It's a kind of expression. How have you been? 그런 거죠. 좀 바빴어요. I have been a little busy. 그동안 그러면 during that time, what time? Since the time I met you last time until today. 이런 거겠죠. 그래서 그동안 during the time, how have you been? 좀 바빴어요. 어떻게 지냈어요? 자, memorize this expression. 나라 사람이에요. 나라 country 사람이에요. 저는 미국 사람이에요. I am American person. I'm American. 그렇죠? 그러면은 어느 나라 사람이에요. So I told you when you use 어느 그러면 you have several candidates in your mind. So like when you guess someone's nationality, you may already have some candidates in your head. Like he might be a 영국 사람 or 미국 사람 or 프랑스 사람. And then which one of country is your country? 어느 나라 사람이에요. That kind of meaning is implied here. 그 다음에 something blank 하고 영화를 봤어요. So with 여기는 person이겠죠. So with whom did you watch movie? 제 동생하고 영화를 봤어요. 제 동생 my younger sibling 하고 with my younger brother or sister I watched the movie. 영화를 봤어요. 누구하고 영화를 봤어요. 그렇죠. 그 다음에 올해 몇 살이에요? 그렇죠. 올해 그러면 this year, 그렇죠. This year. 그럼 what's the next year? 그러면 내년, 그렇죠. 내년. 그 다음에 last year, 작년, 그렇죠. 작년. Instead of 올해, you can use 금년 할 수 있어요. 금년 is also this year 그래요. 자, 그러면 20살이에요. I am 20 years old. 그렇죠? 그래서 이제 so this is about number information. In that case, you use 몇. 화장실이 어디에 있어요? So when you ask the location of 화장실, you ask this way. 화장실이 어디에 있어요? Or you can take 에 out. 그렇죠? 어디에 can be contracted to simply 어디. 복도 끝에서 복도 hallway 끝 end of the hallway at the end of the hallway 왼쪽으로 to the left 가세요. So please go to the left at the end of the hallway. 지금 몇 시예요? This is also an expression you should memorize. What time is it now? 3시 15분이요. It's 3:15. You can more specifically ask 지금 몇 시 몇 분이에요? That's possible too. But generally people say 몇 시예요? To ask time like hour and minutes at the same time. 집에서 학교까지 So 에서까지 you know this structure, right? From to, from house to school. 얼마나 걸려요? So for how long? In this case, 얼마나 is the amount of like time, 그렇죠? So for how long does it take from your house to school? 걸어서 10분 걸려요. 걸어서 on foot, 그렇죠? 걷다 is the original form, dictionary form. 걷다 to walk. 그건 걸어서 by walking on foot. 10분 걸려요. It takes 10 minutes on foot. Please be careful not to put 에 after this 10분. 10분에 걸려요. It's a very frequently found error. 근데 when you talk about duration of time, you don't use 에. 안 써요. 예. 그러면은 I really want to use a particle after this 10분. 그러면 10분이 걸려요. is okay. Or simply 10분 걸려요. That's more like it's simpler. 그렇죠? 예, 10분이 걸려요. Or 10분 걸려요. I never say 10분에 걸려요. It's wrong. 이거 얼마예요? So it's an expression you are supposed to memorize. 그렇죠? How much is this? How because price asking price 그렇죠? 15,000원이에요. It's 15,000원. 그 다음에 오셨어요? 저 김민수 교수님을 만나러 왔는데요. This 저 is 저, well, that kind of expression. 김민수 교수님을 만나러 왔는데요. So I came to meet 김민수 교수님. So now is talking about the reason why he is coming. He came here. 그렇죠? 그러면은 어떻게 오셨어요? 그래요. 자, like if when you go to Korea and if you visit someone's office, then maybe the person in the office will ask you 어떻게 오셨어요? How can I help you? What made you to come here? 이런 거예요. 어떻게 How did you come here? But it's not for asking the method of coming. So did you come by bus or train? 그게 아니고 it's not that. 어떻게 오셨어요? 그러면 how can I help you? that kind of meaning. 그렇죠. under certain circumstances 여기에 어떻게 오셨어요? if you put emphasis on 어떻게, then it can mean like asking transportation, like by what method did you come? That's possible under certain situation, but generally 어떻게 오셨어요? Is used for this kind of purpose. How can I help you? that kind of meaning. 자, 어제 학교에 안 왔어요. Yesterday to school 안 왔어요. You didn't come to school. 감기에 걸려서 병원에 갔어요. 감기에 걸리다. 그럼 to have a cold. 병원에 갔어요. I went to the hospital. I went to the hospital because I had a cold. 그렇죠? 그러면은 왜 안 왔어요? It's about the reason why this person didn't come to school. So in this case we need 왜. 그렇죠? Okay, so we just briefly reviewed commonly used WH words in Korean today. 자, 그러면은 let's keep practicing with other words next time. 여러분 감사합니다.